Happy Friday, kapatid!
Yes, happy Friday. So, eto na nga. Sa tinagal ng panahon.
Medyo ang tagal nating nag-setup, mga 30 minutes. But here we are, finally, from Squadcast back to Zoom. Struggle.
Ay, hindi 30 minutes Hindi lang 30 minutes. Parang months ago pa to. Parang
sa bagay,
last year pa to, diba?
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
So, bakit natin ito ginagawa? Kahit naman pwedeng hindi. Di ba?
Oh yeah. Oo, pag-usapan natin to eh. Sige, I will be honest about it. Idea mo naman to. Sinasabi ko na, ikaw ang brainchild ng podcast na to. And I am so honored na gusto mo akong makasama. Initially, di ba, ang reason dito, hindi natin kaya mag-podcast na mag-isa lang. And ako naman, personally, wala man ako ibang kausap na mga ka-quote-unquote mastermind or ka-AC ng mga freelancers maliban sa'yo. So why not, hit two birds in one stone? Valuable naman ang mga pinag-uusapan natin and record na natin, tapos i-release na natin.
Yeah. Pero bago tayo mag-continue, parang bigyan mo natin ng context, sino ba tayo, di ba? Sino ba tong dalawang to na nagpo-podcast ngayon?
Una yung pakilala o yung title muna? Pakilala muna tayo.
Pakilala muna tayo kasi madali yung title eh.
Sige. Alam mo,
so, ikaw muna yung papakilala ko, syempre, di ba?
Ako ba?
Parang when was the first time that I met you? Sa Tribe.
Sa Tribe ba? Hindi pa. Way before that.
Sa Spag.
Oo. Doon.
Pero, lurker ako ng Spag eh.
Ano ka ba? Pregnant ka ba nun? But I know you. I mean, at least by name. So alam ko doon tayo nagsimula.
And that's the first. That's the first time siguro that I met you online. Yeah. Pero the first time I met you, nung tribe coach ka. Ikaw yung tribe coach ko. Diba?
Yun, no? Inintroduce na ako as tribe coach. Uy, maraming may hindi alam nun.
So, coach siya sa isang freelancing community that I'm in. And isa ako doon sa mga TL, parang tribe leaders nung group na hinahandle na minamanage siya. So, that's how I met him. And then, sa mga tinakaalam, copywriter siya by business. I mean, kapatid, ang market mo ay?
Ako, supplements.
So supplements, di ba?
At that time?
Hindi. Ngayon, supplements.
Ngayon, supplements. Supplements, yes.
So, yun.
Again, to recap, we are the first students of The Legend. One of very first students of The Legend. Nung tinatag yung tribe, I was one of the first coaches. And Neri was assigned to me who volunteered, gusto kong sabihin yun, who volunteered to be a tribe leader, to lead the accountability group. And hanggang sa maging coach ka, from that day one na tinatag yun, hanggang maging coach ka, ikaw ay ang natitirang tribe leader since day one. Habang ang iba nag-step down na to whatever reason, ganyan. I'm so thankful na TL kita, kapatid. At ikaw yung nag-volunteer. Ganon. So, she made my coaching life easier. Walang mga palitan ng mga tribe leaders. So, yun. So, para kaming Batman and Robin dun sa group na yun. And
just to give context lang din yung sinabi mo nag-volunteer ako. Diba sa tribe, ang kailangan is i-vote ka to be a Pero, dahil lurker nga ako nung una sa Spag, parang I told myself na this time I want to be accountable. Paano ako magiging accountable kung hindi ako magiging TL? Parang hindi ako aatenan ng AC kung member lang ako. Parang I can just get in my way and say na I'm busy or wala akong ganon, whatever, just to not attend. But since ako yung TL, wala akong rason para hindi umattend, di ba? So I just showed up. So yun. So that's the reason why I volunteered during that time.
And if I may add, kapatid, so the rest is history. Naging magkaibigan na tayo. And eventually, parang, we kind of jive pag magkausap tayo, both personal and sa business, which is copywriting. We are copywriters by trade. And dun sa freelance group na rin mismo. No? So everything's in place, everything's aligned. So yun. So kaya I don't know, para sa hindi siguro nakakakilala sa akin ngayon, hindi lang kasi, ewan ko kung pinopost mo, I'm sure hindi mo pinopost, no? Every month, nagmi-meet kami nito. So we keep ourselves accountable sa mga nangyayari sa business namin. We share ideas. And if I may say, kaya siguro na buo yung concept na to ng podcast because of natin, yung mga monthly accountability calls nating dalawa na ganun, no? So, hindi kasi natin pinopost kaya hindi nila alam na may calls tayo.
Kaya din ito nabuo. Kasi parang, di ba, we tend to think na may value na ba yung pinag-uusapan natin kahit paano, kahit minsan, or madalas chismis yung pinag-uusapan natin. But there's value in it. And parang we thought na bakit sasarilinin lang natin yung pinag-uusapan natin. Well, in fact, we can parang create an awareness and even help out other freelancers or copywriters who wants to parang to gain some knowledge and at the same time, makimaritas na rin kung gusto nila. But yeah, parang it has good intentions for us to do this. Well, for me, di ba, parang initially, the goal is for me to have that platform to be visible. Diba? And sa'yo, kapatid, parang ano yung parang pinaka-main reason why you agreed to come with me with this?
Alam mo, paano ba? Way back nung pinag-uusapan natin to, I mean, very mababaw, no, nung una. Talagang sabi ko, gusto ko lang, matino ka kasing kausap. So, that's it. Yun yung so, it's easy to say yes sa taong gusto mong kausap. And kamiting mo na, I mean, kapatid, on my parang whole freelancing life, magkausap na siguro tayo. So, it's a no-brainer to say yes. And eventually, nasabi mo na rin yung platform. So, I don't know kung saan papunta tong podcast, but yeah, I can sense na it could also be the platform for me kasi 'di ba ayoko na nga nung mga metaverse na yan. So baka ito yung bagay. But I would be honest, I am not anti social media. I just hate noise. Yun lang yun. I hate noise. So baka ito na yun. So I'm giving it a shot, no? Like I said earlier nga, 'di ba, tinry natin to individually, but it's hard to speak ng parang wala naman akong kausap. So this makes it easier na magkausap tayo, batuhan. Yan. So, yun yung platform din na hindi noisy. Ano mo yun? Hindi noisy. So
ang title nung podcast namin, siguro sa description is Backdoor Convo with Neri and Carlo. So, may konting rap sa dulo, di ba?
Oo.
Pero explain lang natin siguro, kapatid, yung title. Bakit Backdoor Convo?
May kwento ako. Ito, sorry mag-story ako. Kasi, I had a few friends na rin na sinabihan na, magpa-podcast kami ni Neri, ganyan, ganun. Tapos, so, anong title, ganyan? Sabi ko, Backdoor Convo. Tapos, kapag hindi nila gets, parang nalilito sila, which I don't blame them, no? I don't blame them. Sabi niya, anong Backdoor Convo? Parang, the fact na hindi nila naintindihan, gusto kong iparating na lang to. Ayaw na namin i-overthink tong podcast na to. Okay, so we wanted to, yun na nag-resonate sa aming title, which is i-explain namin in a while. And dahil hindi na-gets din ng mga friends natin na freelancers din, alam mo, parang hindi ito yung mga top of the funnel podcast, ganun, wala. So, obvious ba? Parang mukha namang hindi namin pinag-isipan ng todo-todo yung title, which is okay with us. Diba? Which is, we're okay with that. No? Nag-resonate sa atin to. And bakit nag-resonate? Ewan ko may explanation ka, kapatid. I'll give your turn in a while. Pero just to be, for context, meron ako ditong definition ng backdoor. Bakit backdoor convo? So ito siguro yung makakapag-explain. So basahin ko lang very quick, kapatid. Carried out without public or official knowledge and approval. Okay, so siya? Tawag doon, kumbaga sa, parang, parehas naman tayong coach, di ba? Na naging coach. Ganyan. So, parang, yung mga ilalagay natin sa front end, yung filter nun, ito yung podcast na yun. Yung mga, wag natin sabihin to sa harapan ng audience, ganyan. And yung mga off-the-record, although ayaw natin ang title na off-the-record, no? Ganun. Yung mga off-the-record conversations na nga sabi nga ni Neri kanina, kung gusto niyo lang din makimarites, makinig kayo dito, ganun. Meron, ginagawa rin namin yun. So, I will come clean. Ginagawa rin natin yun. So there, yung mga hindi approve, kung meron tayong boss sa podcast na to, siguro yung pinag-uusapan natin di niya i-approve. Ganun din niya i-approve for, not because it's illegal, maybe because it's politically incorrect, if I may say. Pag ganun. But, oftentimes, the backdoor conversations, yun ang katotohanan and what people choose to not talk about. So, we talk about it here.
So yun, thank you for that, kapatid. Yung akin naman, parang same thoughts na, okay, these are topics that others don't usually discuss publicly, but we're discussing it. Parang the purpose then is not just to entertain, but at the same time, give value out of that. Kumbaga, although there will be topics, insights, or ideas that may not be within your standards or within the norm or within the parameters that the society set. It's our intention are good naman, kumbaga. It's to give awareness and at the same time to share parang insights or tips that you can do to avoid those things that you need to be aware of. Kasi at the end of the day, what we see online is not the truth. It's not the reality. And whatever we're going to say is based on our experience, based on our insights. So, hindi siya something that will parang destroy a certain person or will make someone bad or in a bad light. But it's more of giving that light or a guide that this is happening. This is what we experience. And these are the things that we did in order for us to overcome this. So that's siguro that's the reason why we name it Backdoor Convo.
Yes, excited.
So, ayun. Ano daw ang dapat nilang abangan?
Na-excite ako. May mga instance siguro, kapatid, no? May pag-uusapan tayo. We may agree on some things and abangan siguro nila, hindi pa namin alam din ni Neri. Baka meron mga points na mag-disagree din kami. But we will agree to disagree. Baka magkaiba lang kami ng mga point of view. So, I think yun ang mas magandang abangan din nila, no?
Yeah, kasi, actually, kasi parang you're not just seeing one side of the coin. Kumbaga, you're seeing both sides. And it doesn't mean that the one is wrong and the other is right. It's just that we see things differently and that's okay. Kumbaga, parang yun yung gusto rin nating iparating sa kanila. Well, majority of the time, nagkakaisa tayo ng sentiments when it comes to some topics. But then, there will be times I know in the future, kasi sa dami ng topics na i-discuss natin in the future, I know there will be times that we will have opposing insights about, and that's fine with me. Kumbaga, it didn't matter at all if we have different insights about certain things. Because that's the reality, di ba? Parang, di ba? Anong saya ng buhay mo? Walang differences, di ba?
Matututo rin tayo. Ako, pag magkaiba tayo, matututo rin ako sa'yo. So, I myself will be looking forward to that, na kung ano yung pwede ko pang matutunan sa'yo, of course.
So yun, ano dapat nilang abangan? Well, personally from my end, siguro, insights based on experience, topics like copywriting, freelancing, how to get clients, how to decide on what course to take, whatever that's top of my head. Kumbaga, anything under the sun that we think will be helpful for you and that we have experience of, that's something that we can share with you, that's for sure. So,
yes. And biro-biro lang natin to kanina ako, ito totoo, kapatid. Baka kasi mamaya mag-expect sila, sabi mo, mga value, copywriting, gano'n, no? I would come clean. There would be, information or strategies, however you may call it, na I would keep lang to myself. I'm sorry in advance. Yeah. I will just keep it to myself. If I know na meron kaming na-invento ni Neri na ChatGPT prompt na magsusulat ng email, hanggang hukay na namin yun. Hindi namin siya ibibenta. Hindi namin siya ibibigay yung SOP sa VA namin. Walang makakakita nun. Sa amin lang yun. So there would be that. But, ano na yon, nitty-gritty na yon. And I just wanna come clean about it. Ano rin, to encourage then the freelancers or whoever our audience is, na kailangan mo rin naman mag-invest sa sarili mo, no, and sa sarili mong skill, which means you really have to, pull out your wallet and put skin in the game, kumbaga.
Yeah.
So hindi ka naman pwedeng umasa na lang sa lead magnet or free podcast na di ba? But yeah. So there are just things na we keep for ourselves. Ganon. Baka lang sabihin nila we are parang napaka-anghel naman itong dalawang to,
Hindi naman gano'n. Tao din kami, di ba?
Oo. Sorry Yeah.
We invest in order to learn. So I think that's a good take on that, kumbaga. And we want you to do the same thing. Although what we're going to share is parang insights namin about certain things. Yes, you can expect us to give you that to share in this podcast. Pero yung lalim, there are courses out there that can serve that a purpose. Correct. Hindi itong podcast na to. So yun.
Or hanap sila kapatid ng kagaya na natin na nakahanap ng accountability partner na we discover things as time goes, 'di ba? So yun din yung value na may kausap na ganito. You discover things na yung mapapaano ka, naku, hindi natin pwede ituro to, sa atin lang to. Ganun. 'Di ba? Kasi tayo na-discover dito. Ganyan. Yeah. So,
kung may backdoor convo, may backdoor of the backdoor convo pa rin.
Oo, na yun.
So, yun yung
Nasa vault na yun.
Just to give context doon. But yeah, so let's just wrap up.
Yeah, so kapatid? Yeah, that's just the intro episode. And by the way, for siguro housekeeping na lang kapatid, if you'll allow me, pwede nyong abangan yung episodes to be released every Friday. Okay, every Friday. And for this first launch, so meron dapat or podcast team, meron dapat 2 episode na naka-upload. Yung intro, and then there's another one na ititisa sabihin ko mamaya. And then yung next episode would be next Friday, and then the next Friday. Okay? So, itis ko kapatid yung next episode. Although baka alam na nila since nakita na nila sa upload, no. But this special request ko sa iyo to, kapatid, na hindi namin to planadong first episode, but yun nga, living up with the title, Backdoor Convo, okay? We need to discuss this kasi hindi siya pinag-uusapan. Okay? I don't know, at least ako, wala ako sa radar ngayon, but I feel hindi siya pinag-uusapan. So let's talk about this sa next episode, kapatid. And the topic is freelancing scams. Okay?
Yeah. Excited.
Okay, so see you next week, guys. Yan, wrap up muna natin to, kapatid.